Okay, we're on Google here on the M5 time frame, waiting to pounce on a move long. So at the moment, price is heading towards the highest probability reversal zone. We look at the M1 chart as a high volume pin bar, but not high enough. Plus, there's low volume to the downside again with the next bar. So what we're looking at is the analysis boundary awaiting confirmation. And what we're going to do by just studying this for a little bit is choose the best, most appropriate time of entry so that when we do get into a move, it will stay in the money for as long as possible. All right, we're back and on the M1 time frame, looking at that high volume spike signaling that the analysis boundary is complete. We also see a fairly high volume bar right off of the reversal zone. So we're good to go for a long trade here or a high trade for 6 p.m. GMT, not 9 p.m. That's quite far away. So we're going to go for a shorter term trade lasting about roughly 35 minutes, 2,500 invested here. You can, of course, choose your own investment amount. We're looking at a horizon of about 35 minutes here on this trade in total. So we'll come back to you shortly with the results. All right, we're back with roughly 58 seconds remaining on this trade. As you can see, timing your entries pays off. And with Genesis Elite, you know exactly when to enter because the analysis boundary as well as the reversal zones are there to tell you exactly what price is doing, what it is about to do next. Future price moves are told to you on the left-hand panel as long. You just have to wait for the right moment with Genesis Elite guiding you the whole way. So in our case, we looked at the 5-minute time frame. Analyzed at the time the trade was taken that price is entering the reversal zone or about to enter the reversal zone. We switched down to the M1, saw that there was a large volume spike confirming the analysis boundary was complete for Genesis Elite. And we took the trade. And as you can see, it stayed comfortably in the money. 2,500 invested, 4,500 to be gained, 2,000 net profit shortly, just around the corner here. And that's what you can do when you use Genesis Elite to time your entries to perfection. This trade has now nowhere else to go except stay in the money. It's already expired, as you can see, comfortably in the money. And the platform will be updating shortly with the expired net profit at $2,000. With a gross return of 4,500 from an investment of 2,500. A high trade taken on the Google stock. Very easy to spot. The reversal zone was there. All we had to do was wait for just that right moment to enter into the trade to make sure that the trade stayed in the money for most of its duration. There's a few reasons behind that. A, we shouldn't have a headache looking at the trade every now and then. And B, to make it safe for us. So even if there are retracements, as you can see on screen, we're comfortable that the trade's gone so far into the money that even with those retracements, we're safely within the bounds of the trade being successful. Thank you.